Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Aini. Today we are going to cover some important topic from the NET JRF syllabus for paper 1, especially from unit 6. These questions help you to prepare for your exam and deepen your understanding of paper 1 logical reasoning unit 6. Let's dive in. Alphabet series. Letter or group of letter follow a certain rules like repetition or letter or group of letter. Sum of the opposite letter is always 27. Opposite letter to the letter as N opposite M, C opposite X. Vowel sequence A E I O U based on position of alphabet order as A is equal to 1, M is equal to 13, P is equal to 16, Y is equal to 25, U is equal to 21. Small letter based series A B under dash D dash A B A dash N A dash P A C H N A underscore B. Types of question. Opposite letter series example AZBY. Escaping letter series multiple series example DUEVFWGY. Continuous alphabetical series or group series steps to solve continuous series. Count the number of letters in series. Type number of letters in equal parts or in groups of equal letter. Identify the pattern followed. Fill in the blanks accordingly and choose the best match option. Continuous addition in position of letter, continuous subtraction in position of letter, addition of subtraction of alternatively in position of letter. Key point to number series. Key point to identify pattern series increasing rapidly meaning multiplication in action. Series decreasing rapidly means division of the action. Constant increase means addition in action. Constant decrease means subtraction in action. Ascending descending series. Prime number series n to a square plus 1 series n square minus 1 series. Priority sequence a square cube add subtract mathematical operation plus minus multiplication division. Primary number divisibility. Types of question. Finding next or missing number of a series. Firstly, identify the pattern, then find the next or missing number following same pattern. Finding the wrong number in a series. The number disturbing the pattern or not following the same pattern will be wrong number. Opposite number letter series. Escaping letter series. Geometric progression. Continuous dividing by multiply by a number. Arithmetic progression. Mixed operation series. Continuous addition or subtraction. Alternate series. Coding and decoding types. Alphabetical coding, subtraction code, substitution coding, message coding, numerical coding, unique pattern code, mathematical operation, square cube, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Alphanumeric coding, forward rank, backward rank, special rank, backward order, VQLGB 510 15 to 20 25 XUROLIFC 369 12 15 18 21 24. Remember forward order EJ OTY 5 10 15 20 25 CFILORUX 369 12 15 18 21 24. DHLPTX 48 12 16 20 24. Forward order position 1 to 26 A to Z. Backward order position 26 to 1. Alphabetical series and number series. In this type series, there are letters or groups of letters with a specific relationship among them. The candidate is required to identify relation and choose the option which will satisfy the relation. This question becomes easier to solve if one memorizes the alphabetic position of the letters in the alphabet. Example: B is equal to 2, N is equal to 14, P is equal to 16, T is equal to 20. Alphabet position 1A Z 26, 1 to 13, A to M, Z Z N to Z 26. Sum of the number of opposite alphabets is always 27. M example M opposite N 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. Types of letter series. Forward order series. Example CFILORU. Series pattern. Every next letter takes place 3 steps forward. Backward order series. Example UROLI. Series pattern. Every next letter takes place 3 steps forward. Multiple series. Example DUEV series pattern. First series, second series. DUEV. Complete the following series with one of the following option. AD, ABD, ABA, NA, BADNA, B. ADA, ABA, BDA, BADNA, BDANB. Solution 1. Series pattern AB, AB, NA, AB, AD, NA, AB, AD, NA, AB. If A and C interchange their places, B and D interchange their places, E and G interchange their places, F and H interchange their places, and so on. Then which letter will be sixth and left of S? 1 P, second N, third M, fourth I. Solution for as per the question interchange take place as follow. Opposite letter series. Example AZBYCXDWEV. Series pattern. Each element of the series is made up of two opposite letters. Series based on letter position. Example EF. CHAJDGBI. Series pattern. In each term, the sum of letter of opposition of is equal to 11. EF 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. CH 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. AJ 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. DG 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Bi 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Small letter based series. Solution. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P A to Z. Here S interchange with Q. Then so the left of S of the sixth letter would be I because I interchange with K. Number series. In the type of series, predefined mathematical operations such as multiplication, addition, subtraction, division can be identified. There may be two or more mathematical operations in a single series. The candidate has to identify that the particular mathematical operation and find the next or missing number. Numerical priority sequence. If two or more operations or relations are identified, then choose relation according to priority sequence that is given below. A square, cube, add, subtract, prime number. Third mathematical operation: multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, divisibility. Fourth. Type 1. Logic based on algorithmic progression. If a series is written like this way: A plus D, to A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D is uh, A plus N minus 1D, where A and D are the first term of common difference respectively, then it is an arithmetic progress. Example 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. In this sequence, there is a gap of 4, which of is common difference. So, after 20, there will gap of 4. So, term will be 20 plus 4, 24, and 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. Example 1.53, 4.56, 7.5. Common difference: 3 minus 1.5, 4.5 minus 3 is equal to 6, minus 4.5 is equal to 7.5, minus 6 is equal to 1.5. So moving from left to right in series, in next term will be 1.5 more than the previous term. Example 7.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 9. Type 2. Logic based on increasing decreasing series with some fixed pattern. Increasing series. Example 2, 5, 9, 14, 20, 27. To next number is plus 3, 2 to 5. 3, 5 to 9, difference is 4, 9 to 14, 5. If 14 to 26, 20 to 27, 7, 8. Next is 9. Next is 8. Then 27 plus 8 is equal to 35. That is the difference plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next term is 27 plus 8 is equal to 35. Decreasing order 100, 97, 94, 91, 88. Next number series is 100 to 97, difference is minus 3, and that is going to minus 3. Then 88 minus 3 is equal to 85. Next term is type 3 multiplication series. Logic based on multiplication based series, multiply by 1 to 3, so on. 1 1 2 6 24 120. Next is 1x 2x 3x 4x 5x 6. Our next series is 7x. So 720 into 7 is equal to 5040. The last two terms are 720 and 5040 respectively. Example 1.53936 180. In 1.5 to 3, 2 difference is equal to x2, x3 to 9, x3, 3 to 4, 4 3 36 to 185 and 186 1080. Division based series 128 64 32 16 8. 128 64 32 division of 2 2. Next is 8 division of 2 is equal to 4. Next example is 12 12 6 2. 12 12 6 2 divide 12 12 1 divided by 12 6 2 6 2 3 4 0.5. Type 5 logical based on natural number square plus 1. 2 5 10 17 26 37. What next number series is what? 2 2 1 square plus 1 2 square plus 1 5 3 square plus 1 10 4 square plus 1 5. Next term is 5x square plus 1. Next is 6. Next is 7. Next is 8. So then answer is 50 and 65. 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. 8 square means 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Example 122, 145, 170, 197, 226, 259. Next series is what? 122, 11 square plus 1, 12 square plus 1. The number series ongoing on different 1 1 difference. Then 30, 40, 50, 60, 17. Next 70 square plus 1 is equal to 290. Logical based on cubic number. Example 1 8 27 64 125. 1 is equal to 13. 8 is equal to 23. 27 is equal to 33. 64 is equal to 43. 125 is equal to 53. Next two terms is 6q is equal to 216 and 7 cube is equal to 343 respectively. Type 7 logic based NQ or plus 1 or NQ minus 1. 2 9 8 65 126. 2 is equal to 13 plus 1. 9 23 plus 1 28. 33 plus 1, 65, 43 plus 1, 126, 53 plus 1. Next number is 63 plus 1 is equal to 217. Next example is 0, 7, 26, 63, 120. For 0 is equal to 13 minus 1. 7 is equal to 33 minus 1. 63, 43 minus 1. 124, 53 minus 1. Next series is 63 minus 1 is equal to 250. That is the difference. Type 8 logical based on series based on prime number. Prime number it has only two factor, one and number itself. 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 etc. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next number series is 13 and 17. Next example is 2, 5, 1, 17. Next prime number will be 23 as a series contain alternate prime number. 2, 5, then 1, then next number series is 17, then number going to increasing. First is increasing order, next is decreasing order, then first is increasing, next is decreasing order. Next decreasing, then increasing, then second is increasing order. Logical based on alternative series of numbers alphabets. Example 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, 27, 16. Next is what? 1, 1, 4, 1 square, 1 square, 2 1 cube, 2 square, 2 cube, 3 square, 3 cube. Next is 4 square, 16. Or next is 4 cube is equal to 64. Example, another example, PCRFTIVLOXO. First number is going to last letter PFILOR. Is going on plus 3. PRTVXR. This series is going to plus 2. Next number is plus 3, first is 3, second is 2, is equal to ZR. Mix operation 2, 5, 12, 39. 5, 2 to 5, 3. 5 to 2 into 2 plus 1. 12, 5 into 2 plus 2. 39, 12 into 3 plus 3, 39, 39 plus, into 4 plus 4 is equal to 160. Next example, 3, 10, 31, 94 is, next is what? Solution 10 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, 31, 10 is equal into 3 plus 1, 94 is equal to 31 into 3 plus 1. 94 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 283. That's all for today. This I hope you find this explanation helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more educational content. If any question or suggestion, please leave them a comment below. Next time, until next time, keep learning and stay curious.